Let's look at the repercussions of AI and robotics. Now, we talk about a lot of the technologies and how they're going forward in the best way possible, but let's talk about what could go wrong. Now, look at this for a second. What if someone was to mess with an AI robot that is upgrading itself in the environment in real time and literally try to play with it in a way where it doesn't understand that human interaction? So would it be able to perform a task? Let's say you're playing basketball and you're against a robot, and then you kind of dribble in a different way that it's never seen before, and you're kind of playing with it, like messing around with it. Maybe you put the ball around it. You know how people do, they put the ball around it like a hula hoop and like just kind of mess with it. What would the robot do? So this is one of the negative repercussions that can come from something like this. For all you know, the robot could literally punch the kid in the face, right? So that's something that sounds extreme. From the person's perspective, they would be absolutely like, what just happened? But from the robot's perspective, again, its initiative is to get from A to B. Now, this is a huge problem when it comes to like learning from the environment, etc., which is why I talked about the implementation of VR virtual worlds that allow robots to learn in a safe environment that doesn't have extraneous variables like that, or what they call confounding variables in experiments. So this is a huge thing, and it sounds like a small thing, right? You're just kind of double dribbling, but a punch from a robot could kill a kid. Yeah, so we think about it as this like little thing, but something like that as a bug or malfunction of it, or just the inability for the robot to understand what's going on and literally adapt to the environment in real time, like this, could lead to very negative consequences for this. And obviously all of this is on top of my head, but you could name so many different things where problems can occur, etc. One in particular that I can speak of was nearly nuking several countries that I won't speak about, but the only thing that they had to stop it was one person double checking the AI's operating system. Now, the AI literally turned on a switch to fire missiles or nukes or whatever it is at the countries, and it was up to a human to double check what was going on to stop it. Now, one other example before we end is the robo-taxis and Ubers that still have assisted drivers that I asked you guys to check out.